Hello, my dear students. Hope you are keeping well, staying safe at home. Now, my dear children, today I'm going to teach you a new lesson in EVS. So, all of you, take out your EVS books. Now, my dear children, you all love to go to different places. Yes or no? You love to go to shopping malls. You love to go to your grandparents' house. During vacations, you go out of stations, you go to hill stations, you go to parks. So, my dear children, you all love to go to visit different places with your parents, with your friends. But, my dear children, how do you reach to that place? How do you go to that place? You cannot walk down. Can you walk and reach to different places, the places that are far away? No. You reach with the help of different types of means of transport. So, my dear children, open your books. Today, ma'am is going to teach you a lesson on the different types of vehicles, how we move. So, my dear children, open your book. Come to page number 62. My dear children, you could see different types of vehicles on the road. When you come to school, you use any vehicle to come to school? Sometimes you come with a trolley rickshaw, or you come by car or bus. So, my dear children, you come by any vehicle that takes you from your house and drops you to the school, and then you go back with that vehicle only. So, my dear children, the vehicles that take you from one place to another are the means of transport. So, today, ma'am is going to teach you lesson number 16, how we move. My dear children, we cannot walk down to different places, the places that are very far from us. So, we need the help of some vehicles. Now, my dear children, in this image also, you could see different vehicles are there. Some vehicles run on road. Here is an image of the vehicle that runs on road. Some vehicles you might have seen, that is aeroplane. You might have seen aeroplane flies in the air. So, it's a means of air transport. In the same way, my dear children, you could see the ship sails on water. Trains on the railway tracks. So, my dear children, we could see different types of vehicles. Some fly in the air. Some are land transport that runs on the land, and even some sails on water. So, my dear children, today I am going to tell you about the different types of means of transport. Here are some things that take us from one place to another. Now, if you have to come from your home to the school, you can use a bicycle if your house is near. You can walk down also. But if your house is quite far, you can take a rickshaw. You can take, your papa or mama can drop you with the scooties, bikes. Even you can take the help of a car. You can come by bus. So, my dear children, we use different types of vehicles to come and to go to different places. You might have seen different vehicles running on the road. This is a truck, you are aware, bus. Then, my dear children, bike, scooters, car, rickshaw. So, you all have seen these types of vehicles. These vehicles are land transport because these vehicles run on land. So, these vehicles are land transport. So, my dear children, vehicles take us from one place to another. Not only human beings, but our goods also. The luggage which we carry, the things which we carry along with ourselves. We can move from one place to another with the help of these vehicles. So my dear children, vehicles are very important. They play a very important role in our life because we can reach to different places within a very short period of time. We can reach from one place to another very quickly. Now, my dear children, if you have to go very fast, you have to move from one country to another country. So, you cannot go by bicycle, you cannot go by scooters. Why? Because it takes a lot of time. You cannot reach. It will take years to reach. But my dear children, if you will be using air transport, you can go very fast because air transport is the fastest means of transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Why aeroplane and helicopters are considered to be air transport? Because you have seen these flying in the air. So these are means of air transport. These are means of air transport. Air transport is the costliest means of transport, my dear children. The most expensive. That means you have to pay ample of amount of money to go from one place to another. Generally, people go by aeroplanes, the person who has to go to another countries. So you take the help of aeroplanes or helicopters. So my dear children, aeroplane makes us to reach to the different countries or even to the different cities also. People can travel through airport. Through aeroplanes. Now we are having airport in Prayagraj also. You might have visited that place also, my dear children. So we can go from one place to another, from one city to another city with the help of air transport also, and we can reach very quickly. Within few hours only we can reach to another place. And even, my dear children, it is the costliest, सबसे महंगा, costliest means of transport. Then, my dear children, if we have to go from one city to another city, we can use a car, we can use a bus. Yes, my dear children, we can use a car, we can use a bus also to moving from one city to another city. Even if we have to travel from Naini to Allahabad, we can use car, we can use auto rickshaw, we can even use scooter and bikes to reach to this place. Now, my dear children, now you could see this is a vehicle that runs on a land. So these transports are means of transports are land transport. Land transport. If we have to go to very far off places, we use air transport. Land transport is the transport. Land transport is the transport. The vehicles that run on land are the means of land transport. The vehicles that fly in the air are air transport. Air transport, aeroplane, helicopter, jet planes, you might have heard. So all these are means of air transport. Now some vehicles run on water. You could see a steamer boat, ships. So if we have to go to far off places also, we can take the help of ships also. But it also takes lot of time to reach from one place to another. Heavy goods that can be transferred from one place to another can be transferred through ships also. So my dear children, oil and something used to come from different places with the help of ships also. So my dear children, the vehicles that we see on road are the means of land transport. The vehicles that fly in the air, that is air transport. Even, my dear children, we see ships sailing on the sea. So all these are the means of water transport. Water transport. Now, my dear children, bicycle. Bicycle is considered to be the cheapest means of transport. Cheapest means of transport because it doesn't require any fuel also. It doesn't require any fuel also. So, my dear children, you have understood about the three types of means of transport: air transport, water transport, and Land transport. Now, my dear children, aeroplanes fly in the sky. As I have told you, aeroplanes fly in the sky. They carry us to faraway places in a very short time. In a very short time, my dear children, we can move from one place to another. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Yes, my dear children, within few minutes of time, we can reach to different cities. So, my dear children, aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Even we can go to another countries also with the help of this air transport. Now, my dear children, if you have to go from one city to another city, so we can take the help of trains also. Trains also. Have you ever traveled by train? You might have traveled, my dear children, in the trains. You might have. Whenever you go to another cities, you go to your grandparents' house, you might have traveled through trains. Trains move on land. Trains also move on land. But train runs on the railway tracks. इनके रेलवे ट्रैक्स बने रहते हैं. आपने कभी देखा होगा ट्रेन्स कहाँ पे चलते हैं? रेलवे ट्रैक पे ही चलते हैं. सो ट्रेन्स मूव ऑन लैंड. दे रन ऑन रेलवे ट्रैक्स. They carry us from one city to another. I told you, my dear children, trains run on railway tracks and they take us from one place to another, from one city to another city. India's fastest train is the Shatabdi Express. So, my dear children, the fastest train is Shatabdi Express. Ships sail on the sea. They carry people and goods to faraway places. Now, my dear children, ships sail on the sea. They carry people and goods to faraway places. A small ship is called a boat. A small ship is called a boat. And big one is called the ship. You might have seen ships on the television also. And in the charts also. So, my dear children, means of transport are very helpful to us because they made our life very easy. In the early age, people used to walk down and they reach to different places and take a lot of time. So, my dear children, means of transport has made our life very easy. We can reach to the different places very easily and it saves our time. हमारा समय भी बचता है if we are using these means of transport. And my dear children, means of transport are of three types: air transport, water transport and land transport. The vehicles that run on land are land transport. And as I have given you the example, you could see over here also this car. You could see this car, trucks, buses, all are the means of land transport. Then I told you about air transport. Air transport, aeroplane, jet planes, all these fly in the air. So are means of air transport and is the fastest means of transport, but very costlier also, costliest means of transport. We have to spend lot of money because we can go from one country to another country also within very few minutes, within very few hours. Now, my dear children, then the third is the water transport that sail on the sea, the vehicles that sail on the river or sea. So, my dear children, I hope you all have understood this lesson properly. Now, my dear children, let's do the exercises. Aeroplanes fly in the sky. You all are aware, aeroplanes fly in the sky. Trains run on the railway tracks. Train runs on the railway tracks. Shatabdi Express is India's fastest train. India's fastest train is Shatabdi Express. Ship sails on the sea. Ship sails on the sea. Now turn the page. Now, my dear children, this is your homework. This is your homework. What you have to do? You have to identify these pictures. Can you see these pictures? This picture is of an air transport. This is an aeroplane. So my dear children, you could get the spelling of the aeroplane in this grid. You have to search and you have to search and you have to make a line. Now car. Now one I will help you out. See here. C-A-R. So find the names of 6 means of transport in the given word search. Now my dear children, one over here you can see C-A-R, car. You could see the image of a car. So car. So you can use the scale and you can circle like this. In the same way, my dear children, here's the example of a truck. You could see the truck, and here's the ship, bus, train. So my dear children, here you could see T-R-A-I-N. Train is there. So like this, boat is there. So my dear children, you will circle it. You will do this by your own. By seeing the picture, you have to learn the spellings and you have to find out the spellings from this grid. Have you understood, my dear children? Now come to the next one. Now, my dear children, color this means of transport. Use pink for those which move on land. Now, my dear children, you could see there are the different names of these. These are the different names of the vehicles. Some are land transport, some are water transport, and some are air transport. Now, my dear children, you have to use pink color for those that run on land. Now, my dear children, you have to color it with pink color. The vehicles that run on land. Suppose I will give you an example, car. Car runs on land, so you will color it with pink color. In the same way, my dear children, use blue for those who sail on water, Now, you are aware of the vehicles that sail on water? Yes, my dear children, ship. So you will color it with blue color. In the same way, you have to color with red color those which fly in the air. You know which means of transport, which vehicle flies in the sky? You are aware, in the air. So my dear children, you will color it with red color. Helicopter is there. So aeroplane is there. So my dear children, you will color it according to the different means of transport. Now complete the names of these means of transport. Now you will write, you could see the image of a cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Then this is a picture of an aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Now come down. This is a picture of a train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Then this is a picture of a scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you, dear students.